Looking for cool devices that are super handy and cheap? Amazon has you covered. Whether you're searching for last-minute gift ideas or presents to get your young ones on their birthday, we have it all. Thanks to some of the latest science and technology, there are cool new devices made for all sorts of everyday purposes. We're talking transforming scooter bikes, drones controlled solely by gestures, and even location trackers for all the pet owners out there. Number 1 would undoubtedly make you marvel at the wonders of science, so stick around to the very end. Let's get started. Number 10. 2-in-1 electric scooter and mini bike. Get the best of both worlds with the remarkable 2-in-1 transforming scooter bike combo we're about to show you. Viral Rides brings you a super cool electric scooter that quickly restyles into a mini bike, making an excellent gift for your young ones aged 8 and above. It comes with a height adjustable handlebar, a thumb control throttle, and a lever activated disc brake for optimum braking performance. A 100-watt DC motor with a chain drive enables the ride to speed up to 10 miles per hour with an average runtime of 40 minutes. It's effortless to switch the gadget between the two modes with the included tools, meaning safe yet fun playtime for your kids. If you're looking for last-minute birthday gift ideas, this is the perfect suggestion. Number 9. Smart LED Backpack. Gear up to impress all your friends with the first backpack with an LED programmable screen. The Smart LED Pix backpack comes with an iOS Android app, allowing you to draw your art, display images, animations, widgets, and even play games. You can now flaunt your favorite pixel art for the world to see. All you have to do is plug in the power bank and pair the Pix backpack to your smartphone. Flexible, water-repellent material constructs the Pix backpack, ensuring its durability. You can bend it, walk under rainy weather, or even drop the bag without messing up the animation. It's spacious, allowing you to carry a 15-inch laptop around. Also, the backpack comes with a 1-year warranty, so you can get an immediate replacement if anything goes wrong. What else are you waiting for? Number 8. Folding Wallet Utility Knife. If you're going on a camping or fishing trip anytime soon, get your hands on this gadget immediately. CardSharp brings you this ultra-thin and ultra-light utility knife that fits comfortably into your wallet. The handy knife is made up of a stainless steel blade and polypropylene body, guaranteeing to last a lifetime of folding and unfolding. When closed, it's approximately the size of a credit card. The blade is around 3 inches long and 0.08 inches thick. So yes, CardSharp isn't joking around when they claim you can easily carry this gadget around everywhere. Moreover, a smart locking mechanism prevents accidental cutting, so you can carry this in your wallet without worrying about your child's safety. This utility knife is about the most useful and convenient item we've come across lately. Number 7. FERROFLUID in a bottle. Here is an amazing gadget that is a real treat for your eyes. For those of you who don't know, FERROFLUID is a liquid attracted to a magnet's poles. And this gadget right here was designed to showcase its coolest feature: spikes. MTR Designs brings you the highest quality ferrofluid available, enclosed in a mesmerizing silver anodized aluminum. The 0.24 ounce liquid is lab synthesized by Ferrotech, ensuring that it won't break in a few weeks. If you're wondering how this fascinating gadget works, it's simple. 3 neodymium rare earth magnets are used in combination, with 2 of them positioned in the base. When you place the handheld magnet on top of the display, it combines to create a large magnetic field. The ferrofluid follows this field, creating beautiful giant spikes and shapes. It's the ultimate gift for the curious mind. Number 6. Stylus Pencil. There's no doubt digital art has grown dramatically in the past few decades. So if you're an artist, the next cool gadget we're about to show is for you. You can now tap into real creativity and productivity on your touchscreen with the Add-On-It Fine Point Stylus. The Dash 3 stylus pen comes with an improved tip that creates a paper-like drag that is super precise and responsive. That means you can enjoy the more natural writing experience and even faster note-taking. Click the button once, turns on the blue LED light. To turn it off, click on the button again. Also, it comes with a built-in battery that can be charged with a power bank. It's super convenient for all the college students out there for efficient note-taking, so we'd highly recommend it. Number 5. Gesture Control Drone. We've all played with remote control cars, but have you seen an intelligent quadcopter that allows you to control a drone's flight by gestures? This device right here does exactly that. Isn't that incredible? The drone is stable and easy to operate. It can be controlled by a smartwatch controller. All you have to do is put the drone on the ground, start the drone, pick it up, and throw it in a parallel. It will flow in the air without the need for remote control. This high-tech automatic sensing aircraft will easily sense the flight. To land, you can press the water droplet remote control. The gesture control drone makes for a fantastic gift for your children on Christmas or their birthdays. In fact, all your friends would be pretty impressed with this gadget too. Get one today and enjoy a 90-day free money-back guarantee. Although we're sure you wouldn't want to return. Number 4. Tail light with turn signals. Add safety to your rides with this cool smart bike tail light. It's similar to a car tail light, but cheaper and even cooler. Milan brings you this extraordinary smart wireless remote control on the bicycle handlebar. This would allow you to turn left, right, flash in an emergency, and give out a dual-side warning line to alarm cars or wayfarers to keep a safe distance from you. This cool bike taillight will help you catch more attention, ensuring your safety at night. The taillight comes with a built-in 2000 mAh rechargeable battery, with 5 to 8 hours running time. The remote control is equipped with a replaceable coin cell battery, which would work for 12 months. This gadget combines regular visual warning with turn signal light and laser beams, providing a full round of visual warning effects. It's exceptionally cool, so don't hesitate to get one for your bike. Number 3. Smart Cell Phone Stun Gun. If you're looking to defend yourself against potential attackers, but with a gadget slightly more intimidating than your regular knife, check out the most realistic stun gun on the market. The JC Universal Smart Cell Phone Stun Gun comes with a 14 million volts function and LED flashlight, and loud ear-piercing alarm, providing you with powerful, unique protection against potential attackers. At the first sign of danger, get out your stun gun and pretend to make a call. Any bad guy who gets too close to this cell phone will get the message loud and clear that you will not fall victim to him. It is rechargeable and has a micro USB charging cord. The LED light provides a convenient source of flashlight whenever you need it. The loud alarm is even a bigger bonus, as criminals are likely to flee a crime scene if an alarm is sounded. Get this handy gadget for everyone you care about, and they're sure to be grateful. Number 2. Health and Location Tracker for Pets. If you're a pet owner, this health and location tracker is for you. You can now track your pet's health and location wherever you are with the WhistleGo Explore Tracker. This cool device would enable you to keep a record of your pet's essential behaviors like licking, scratching, and drinking, allowing you to monitor skin health and allergies. You can also get alerts for potential health issues and chat with a vet directly from the app. With accurate GPS tracking, you can also track your pet's movement every 15 seconds and get alerts if they escape. If you're a North American resident, here's a bonus. You can even pinpoint their exact location. The WhistleGo Explore device comes with a snap collar attachment, a hook and a loop collar attachment, a USB charging cable, and a quick start guide. So if you own a pet and want to care for them better, this device is an absolute must-have. Number 1. Mini Portable Projector. The number 1 spot on our list of cheap and cool gadgets belongs to this XGME Mogo Pro Mini Portable Projector. XGME comes with a revolutionary new technology allowing this projector to provide a sharp, crisp image with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. It projects in full HD with results better than your regular 720p projectors. It is a large capacity built-in battery, which means you can take the projector anywhere you want. If you show up to your friend's party with this cool new device, everyone is bound to be awed. Direct casting of your favorite entertainment apps, movies, TV shows, music, games, and sports, from your Android or iOS device, Mac or Windows computer, or Chromebook to the Mogo Pro anywhere you want. Doesn't that sound awesome? Alright, let us know in the comments below which of these cool gadgets you're grabbing first. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to TechJoint, and we'll see you in the next one.